Here we are back in Taunton, 4 Lawrence Street. Project is now about 3 to 4 weeks in, and we got some contractors here working, some electricians, carpenters, plumber just left. Should be up for plumbing inspection on rough this Friday. So let's see what we have going on. Exterior work is ongoing right now. The decks are being looked at. We got vinyl getting wrapped around some of the decking. Some of it's getting painted. New stairs were just put in not too long ago, going up to the deck. New fencing along the side. Up back here we have wood picket. Or on the other side in a minute. That's basically the overview right here. Oh, the gate is open. This all done and cleared out. Another new fence on that side, chain link on the side. So yeah, this will be a nice backyard space. This was a jungle beforehand. I don't know if you had seen the previous video. Let's go harass these guys, see what they're doing. This is a vinyl, this is a break right here. It's called a break, the vinyl sign. What's going on, Davey?
What's up, buddy?
Mr. Cameron.
Yo!
This guy's like a spider up here. That about sums out the outside. Coming along a lot better than what we had before. That'll all get painted up top, and that'll all get wrapped on the outside. We got just had some soffit on the roof.
It really does.
That right there, I don't know if you can see that. That's an electric. That'll be a light outside for the deck. And that basically sums up the outside. Let's see what's going on for the first floor unit. So as you can see, this is the chase that goes up. All new plumbing going up from the basement level to the second floor. Gotten some painting done on the interior walls. Hey Nick, say hi. This is a knee wall for the island that will be installed. So to give you an idea, we did switch this around a bit. So that knee wall will be in the back end of the island. You have on these measurements here a 15-inch cabinet, dishwasher, sink, 15-inch cabinet, and in the fridge. So this layout here will get changed quite a bit. On the island, you're going to have a 27-inch micro with a 27-inch cabinet, your oven, freestanding oven in the island or a stove in the island, with a 24-inch cabinet to the right of it. The flooring right there, ready to go in once we get everything situated down the road. Electrical is getting done. So here, we blew out that wall to create a closet space. So took some space from the bathroom to utilize closet space for this bedroom. So this bathroom laundry room. Laundry hookups right there, so you got washer and dryer. Tub's already set in. Plumbing's all set. Over in this little nook here, that'll just be a towel rack, etc. And in this space here, you got vanity and then toilet there. So now I'll go up to the second floor unit, or the second unit for the second and third floor. See what we got going on up here. So, it's all cleared out. A lot of electrical work getting done up here. And yes, the same design for the first unit will be for the second unit also. So basically they got their outlets here, but that's more or less what's going to be on the wall. So underneath the cabinets and countertops, you'll have these outlets. Bedroom number 1. Sheetrock done. Come on, Jimmy! So here we took these baseboards off. Because what we're gonna end up doing is running electrical wire 4 outlets. Bring, you know, these bedrooms up to code. You're supposed to have every 6 feet an outlet. There'll be an outlet installed on that wall. In that wall, we got an outlet there that'll get replaced. Outlet there on this wall also. Again, same layout in this bathroom, laundry room area. Vanity, toilet. Tub's ready to go. Wash and dryer with your laundry hookups right there. And again, on this side, we'll have your laundry rack, towels and whatnot. So this pipe here that you're looking at, that is what's called a stack pipe. That comes from the basement all the way through the whole entire house out through the roof. So that we had to replace from the roof all the way down to the basement, which I'll get at later on. See what we got on the 3rd floor. 3rd floor, 2nd unit. Mr. J's in the building.
What's up? Bringing this place up to code.
Yeah. Let's see what we got. What are we making out up here? So we framed this off for the 3rd bedroom. 3rd bedroom all framed off here. That's going to be a closet, bifold doors. Some outlets going in over here. Same idea. Bedroom number 4. So we had, getting back to that stack pipe I mentioned, to cut a hole in the wall to get the stack pipe out from the roof. Closet right there, nice size closet. Now this room had 2 doorways, so we are walling off 1 doorway. And this will be the doorway for the bedroom. This is going to be now just a bonus room area, maybe an office of some sort. And that wraps up renovations for week 3-4.